We are free to make noise. We are free to be loud with no need to apologize. With strength, with clarity, with voice. If a situation doesn't feel right, someone gets closer than you'd like, your boundary is crossed, you feel a tightening in your gut, no one is owed an explanation of what you feel. No one has the right to challenge your boundary. No is a complete sentence. Being loud is not rude. Being firm is not mean. It's protective. It's powerful. Try this. Practice saying stop. Say no. Back off. Say it with your chest open, feet grounded, voice steady. Because when your body and your voice rehearse that moment, your response becomes clear. It becomes faster, and it becomes authentic. This is about freedom to own your space, to protect your peace, to use your voice. Every woman deserves the right to move confidently, loudly, unapologetically, unpleasantly, if that's what you feel. You are free to respond in any way that helps you stay safe.